track day with all the bikes. We got 4 bikes out here today. However, my bike is having some problems. We just put the new tires on all the bikes, but I'm having an engine issue. Hopefully we can get that figured out and get back on the track. We're at the NASCAR Experience. I'm going to be hopping in one of these cars in the next couple days here. We're going to go for a race. We also have a couple Indy cars over here, and then back in the corner where you can hop in and do 180 miles an hour with a professional driver.
You're right. Yeah. You're right. Oh shit, fuel. And you gotta take this to tech too.
These gloves are made out of all kangaroo hide, and then you have right here, here, and on the outside is all stingray hide. Just slide, keep you protected. We're gonna go hopefully next time a lot faster. I'm riding a bike I'm not used to riding. I'm riding a 2011 Ducati 848, and they're getting ready to switch me to this bike right here, which is looks like an 08 or an 09 R6, Yamaha R6, because my motor's not working too right now. We're switching the tires out right now, and hopefully we can go a little bit faster next time around.
I can see.
Yeah, you feel really. The R6 is higher. My R1 was like that. I was always down.
So you went, they took you
That one and then this one. This is the one where you can't see the turn. You guys were going so slow that like you could see it, but on this one you got to dive in before you even see the turn. Scary. This is the scariest turn right here. in the back. So basically here, bam, you should be in 6th gear. You click down 3 gears, bam, bam, bam. Nice and easy. Another 1 gear, depending on how it's geared. You have to stay here, bam. Right here, you want to do what's called a low rev shift, because you want to square off for this corner here. You don't want to go what? No, you want to go what? Because right through this one, because if you stay in that lower gear, this is such a wide corner. By the time you get to the outside, right here, you're redlining the bike. It's just after school holidays.
But man, the shift is just so fun. I gotta like dig my foot under it to like.
Well, raise it up.
I can't.
What do you mean?
What is this? Is it too far down or too far
Yeah,
up?
like I gotta like dig my foot deep.
Okay. Get me 212s, please.
You know how is it? Man, let me check all of them. It's like that.
Get something off the shelf. Perfect. Get it pulled off the shelf.
Okay.
That thing's gonna scream. It's a Yamaha R6. Totally decked out. Awesome. I found a new career. I'll do this every day, all day. The Blue R6, Spectre Oils R6, and see if I can lead the pack.
The easiest example to point out, it happens in 6, it happens in 8, it happens in a lot, even 11. And you know, our body thinks, all right, sooner I start the turn, the sooner I get done with the turn, I can stand the bike straight up and down and get on the throttle. You know, that's how you go fast. But the setup for, again, the setup for 3 is 5. And what you want with 5 is you want a nice drive coming out of 4 that you don't have to turn back through 5 really, really hard. And the way to get that is to have a kind of an outside entry point in 4. And that's a perfect visual reference point to be turning into 3. You could come across, but if you are, you don't want to be coming, you know, this is a green, or this is the concrete patch, and I'm turning left through 3. I'm not going to be coming out this way and just exiting on the back side. I'd be, you know, nipping into this corner, coming across here.
Yeah, Eddie always pushes it too hard. He always goes like beyond. And I'm looking at we're walking up there now, but I'm looking at the helicopter. The helicopter's out on the track. He just took it too far. You can't ever slow Eddie down. Eddie's always going to the max. You went a little too fast, sucker bitch.
into turn 10, and you know, he was following the line, but he went in too soon, and instead of like basically overthrowing the turn, he just dropped it. And he should have just gone on the grass. And instead he just tried to stick the turn. The front went out, low-sided, and hit the grass, and it somersaulted. I don't know if...
Did he slide and hit the wall? Or
no, he slid onto the grass, but I don't know if it was when he hit the grass, his leg locked up, or if he hit the bike. So I'm just like...
Did the bike like tumble?
The bike tumbled. The bike was like 6 feet in the air.
The bike is destroyed. The bike is over here.
The bike was like... I mean, the forks are...
The
airbags, the gas tank, it's all apart. I mean, he was moving too. He had just passed me, but he had just passed me on the back straight. And then a guy in 1,000 was right on his ass and was gonna pass him and held back, so he felt 2 guys on him. And he went in too soon. He got gone in later. You know, you gotta turn in at cone 1 or 2. He went in before both.
Off the handlebar. He's like, did you see him? They're putting him in the helicopter. He's like, give me my helmet. Like, I gave it to him. He's like looking at it.
Oh yeah, no, when they were rolling him out of the ambulance, he's looking at everybody.
Yeah, he's okay.
He's fine. He's totally fine.
He just fell hard.
He's like asking how the bike was.
That's why I said don't run that thing. Let me check it. Yeah, so I told him, I said, let me get it, and even if I have to tear the motor out, I can tear it out and find out what's wrong.